Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the color of the lipstick in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to start off by showing you a way that doesn't work. Let's duplicate your background layer. From the Adjustments tab, click on Hue/Saturation. Click on the finger tool and then sample the color from the lipstick. The drop-down was changed to magentas. Now drag the hue slider all the way to the left. Next, in the color ramp section, drag the broken half slider to the right to increase the threshold of the primary color. As you can see, the color on the model's face is also getting affected. To prevent that from happening, we're going to look at how to create hue/saturation selection and mask next. To keep things simple, I'm going to get rid of this hue/saturation layer and start over. Let's click on the Adjustments tab, click on Hue/Saturation. From the drop-down, choose Magentas. And this time, I'm going to change the blend mode to Difference. Bring the saturation slider all the way to the left. Now click on the New Adjustment Layer button and choose Levels. Bring the white slider to the left. This should increase the contrast of the image. Let's go back to the hue/saturation adjustment. From the drop-down, pick Magentas. In the color ramps, play with the broken sliders to tweak the selection of the lipstick. Feel free to compare with the background image and keep fine-tuning the selection until you're happy with it. Once done, hold the Command-Option-Shift and press E. This will stamp a merged copy of all visible layers. Now click on Image in the top menu and choose Desaturate from the Adjustments dropdown. This will remove all the colors from the image. Next, click on Curves from the Adjustments dropdown. Since we'll be using this image as our layer mask, increase the brightness of the image to capture as many details as possible without pixelating it. Now use the brush tool from the left menu and make sure the hardness of the brush is set to 100%. The mode is set to normal. Opacity and flow should be 100% and the foreground color should be black. Slowly paint over all the white areas outside of the lips. Now our mask is ready. To create a selection, click on the Channels tab and duplicate one of the RGB channels. Click on the Load Channel as Selection button. You should see marching ant selection around the lips. Now disable the red copy channel, enable RGB, and go back to the Layers tab. Click on New Adjustment Layer button and choose Gradient Map. The active selection should automatically be applied as a layer mask to the new adjustment. Click on the gradient to open the gradient editor. Choose black, white from Basics dropdown. Now click in the center of the gradient to create a new stop. Change the location to 50% so you know it's right in the center. From the color picker, choose a new color for the lipstick to your liking. To make the lipstick darker or lighter, drag the stop left or right as per your requirement. You can also play with the diamond slider to control the transition between the dark and light areas. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.